Welcome back from the motorcycle shed, and this film is part 9 of the Kawasaki KLR 650 engine rebuild. And in my hands here I've got the right hand engine case. Today's task is to try and get the bearings out of the casing, and we're going to do it by sticking it in the oven. eBay is truly a wonderful thing, and this fan oven is a grand sum of £12.50 on eBay from some bloke in Nuneaton here in the UK, and it's now fully installed in my garage and it's up to temperature. The reason that this works is that when heated, the aluminium alloy case expands more than the steel of which the bearings are made, therefore releasing the grip the casing has on the bearings. Right, let's let that cook, and I think it'll probably take about half an hour. The smoke is being produced here because there was some residual oil still left on the surface of the casing when I put it in the oven. The best thing to do in terms of absolute safety is to thoroughly clean the surfaces before doing this procedure. It's nice and easy, and that should just tap out as well. There we go. Right, it's been turned over. Oh, it's hot. Oh. Right, let's turn that over. Oh, burn myself. Right, now let's see if we can't get that undone. Come on, there you go. Perfect. Done. What I'm going to do is just turn this over and see if we can drift out the main bearing. It's worth noting that as these bearings are all being replaced, drifting the old ones out using the centre race is fine. If you were to be reusing these, it's preferable to drift out using the outer race to stop putting undue impact pressure on the ball bearings. Right, so we're now looking at the left-hand engine casing. Now this collar won't need replacing, there's no wear in it at all. It's the transmission shift shaft collar. The bottom of it just fits into that and turns like this. So we're going to get rid of this one, that one, and this one. So those two come out this way, and this one goes downwards. The next job is to get this bearing retaining plate out, and we're going to do it with the manual impact driver. There we go, nice and easy that. Is actually shorter. It's the same thread, but it's shorter than the main bearing plate holders, so that goes like that. These casings are now ready to be cleaned up and blasted and painted, but that's another part of the project. I think the next part of the project we'll look at is look at the crankshaft and how we take it to bits, replace the componentry and put it all back together again.